Logo, Beltone. Text, using the Beltone myPAL Pro. Turn on the Beltone myPAL Pro and connect the hearing instruments. An arrow points to a button on the top right. Text, 1.5 seconds. An arrow points to a button on the hearing aid. Text, 3 seconds. A moving dotted line appears between the hearing aid and myPAL Pro. Text, automatic reconnection. A moving dotted line appears between an image of a person wearing hearing aids and another person with the Beltone myPAL Pro. Time passes on a timer between them. Then they move closer. Text, adjusting volume and muting. An arrow points to a button on the side of the myPAL Pro. Tapping the button increases the volume. The arrow taps a button below it to lower the volume. Tapping a middle button mutes the device. Text, modes of operation. An image shows hearing instruments connected to the device. An arrow points to a green light at the base of the device and a microphone icon. A group having a conversation connects to myPAL Pro and hearing instruments. An ear image appears with a letter T, and an arrow points to a button on the lower right of the myPAL Pro with the letter T. A musical note blinks on a smart device screen. A cable connects the smart device to the myPAL Pro. Musical notes flash on the smart device and the hearing aids. An adapter with prongs appears and an arrow points to a port with prongs on the base of the myPAL Pro. Green lights blink on the base of the device. Text, turn the Beltone myPAL Pro off. An arrow points to a button on the top right. Text, 1.5 seconds.